Company of the Year competition looks at the best performing companies across all 9 provinces.
Each of the 9 provincial companies are represented by 2 members who came to Johannesburg for preparation workshops.
We learned how to be more confident with ourselves, and we learned how to communicate better with each other, and we did not even know that before.
They teach us how to start a business and how to be a good entrepreneur.
You know, it's so good to know that there are people out there who are willing to help us and are willing to listen to what we have.
At first I thought that it would just be like a normal program, but then what stood out for me was the fact that everyone stands together and they here to empower you to better your education and to become more to know more about business. We had to present our thing, and we didn't have time to go over it. So for me it was challenging, but yet I pushed through it.
In the process of business, we changed from many names, and we finally got a good name of Sisonga Junior Achievers, and yeah, that was great.
As business partners, we argue a lot, but at the end, we must come together and work together. Sisonga means that we work together as a team.
During the course, we've learned a lot. We've experienced plenty, like work ethics, business principles, and even while we were here, we still had to improve on our business plan, and we learned that our set business plan, there's always room for improvement as we go along.
And like the workshop yesterday, which also helped us improve on our product even more, we actually worked on our PowerPoint and added more information on our product.
We even learned new presentation skills that we had no idea about before, so it was really helpful, both the workshops that we did yesterday and today.
These are student teams that have participated in a JASA program. Citi not only sponsors programs, but is partnering with JASA for the 4th time to host Company of the Year.
Because you are solving a real problem for them.
We didn't sleep much because we had to prepare for our presentation, which made me believe that entrepreneurs don't sleep. While people are sleeping, we're making ideas, we're creating solutions.
And it is very important for one individual or a person, whoever is running a business, for you to understand your customers, your customer sickness. What is it that your customers need? So it was very important.
When you're running a business, it's not about making a profit, but actually about making a solution out there that can alleviate problems in the community.
We learned a lot of business principles. We learned about the importance of continuous innovation and product improvement to always stay ahead of our competition.
We also learned that when there is a challenge, we must not give up.
We were constantly put under pressure, and therefore our problem-solving skills were put up to the test. And constantly, we had to stand up and lead.
They have taught us about how to manage our funds and our costing in the business.
And he also taught us about professionalism. Yes, we faced many challenges in our company. Poor participation, but that didn't really stop us from achieving what we want. And after all, the business belongs to all of us.
Well, we had to stay for after hours at school, of which we went home late. So that was a challenge to us, but then it's all worth it and we used that time effectively.
And well, I learned managing skills. I never thought that managing a business was that difficult and slightly challenging. I thought it was too easy.
the lean startup. They take you through every single step and help you with the structure. And because they're helping us with the structure now, we know that we can use these skills even after the program.
Really broadens our minds. You know, when we started Just, we were really closed-minded, didn't know what to do. But ever since being on this program, we're exposed to different things like business.
We've got a Facebook profile, and we're going to add an ad there. We're going to post pictures.
In the first round, they pitched their businesses to a panel who shortlisted 5 teams to present here tonight.
The winner also get to represent South Africa, or JA South Africa as a whole, within the Regional Company of the Year, which is where all the JA member countries in Africa come together.